Today I'm going to show you how to create track matte effect using CapCut. To begin with, here I have a video clip added to media in CapCut. I'm going to drag and drop this clip to the timeline, show you how it looks with no effects. Okay, and now to add the track matte effect to this video, select it, and then on the right hand side under video, open mask, and then click on add mask. Now select text, and now you'll notice that our video has turned into this default text mask. So then go ahead and edit the text field right here and type in whatever text you prefer. So I'm going to go with holiday. Then I'm going to change the font to something a bit thicker. I'll go with impact. And then we can choose the starting font size. Let's say 60. Now, once we set that, next, scroll down, find zoom. Now make sure you have your playhead, whatever you want the text to start zooming in. So for example, if I want the text to start zooming in at 0, position the playhead at the start. Then under zoom, find this little diamond key to add keyframe. Click on it. So we have added our first keyframe here. Then move the playhead just a few seconds out. So let's say around 3 seconds. Okay. Then add another keyframe here. And then zoom in the text. So I'm going to go and zoom in to 500%. Now what's going to happen if I move the playhead to the start? From this first keyframe to this keyframe, our text is going to zoom in from the default 100% zoom level to 500%. Okay, so that's how it looks. And then from that point onwards, from 3 seconds, our video is going to stay the same. But if we want this video to overtake the full screen, what we have to do is add a few more keyframes. So I'm going to go and move from this second keyframe to, let's say, around 6 seconds into this video, like this. Add another keyframe. And now, since I can't move the slider up anymore, I'm going to type in the values manually. Now, you may have to play around and find which value takes over your screen completely. So let's say if I type in 2500, hit enter, and as you can see, there's still some black space here. Let's try 3500, enter. I still have just a bit of black space left. So maybe 3800. Yeah. Now our video has fully taken over the screen. So that means now if I replay again from this keyframe to this keyframe, it's going to go to 500%. And from the second to third, it's going to fully overtake the screen. Let's see in action. And then it goes. Okay, now what you can also do is if you want to make this transition a bit smoother, you can literally just click on the keyframe and drag it closer to this second keyframe like this. So what's going to happen now, in a shorter period of time, it will overtake the screen quicker. Let's see again. Just like that. And then also, if you wanted that your track matte effect started a little later into the video, you could just shift the keyframe here, the second one around here, to make these a little closer, one to the other like this, second and third. And now if I start the video from the start to the first keyframe, nothing's gonna happen, and then from the first keyframe it will start zooming in. Let's see in action. That starts zooming in, and then boom, fully takes over the screen. And then the text stays as is. And that would be it for this tutorial, guys. So I hope this was useful. Please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and see you in the next one. Stay tuned.